तो बेटा बात करते हैं स्ट्रेटेजिक मार्केटिंग की। हमने उस दिन इसका बेस बनाने की कोशिश की थी और मीनिंग समझने की कोशिश की थी। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि स्ट्रैटेजी एक ऐसा शब्द है जो युद्ध क्षेत्र से लिया गया है, और इसमें मैंने आपको मूवी बाहुबली का एग्जांपल दिया था कि जब वो कालके से युद्ध होने वाला था, तो हाउ दे मैनेज देयर स्ट्रैटेजी अकॉर्डिंग टू दी पावर्स ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटर। सो हेयर व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजी, एक डेफिनेशन लिखी हुई है विलियम एफ ग्लूक की, पढ़ रहा हूं मैं, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। Strategy is a unified, comprehensive, and integrated plan relating to the strategic advantage of the firm to the challenges of the environment. It is designed to ensure that the basic objective of the business is achieved. Now, the point is why strategy is made and what is strategy. Strategy is a unified and comprehensive plan. Means एक ऐसा प्लान है जिसमें एक तो एक रूपता है और दूसरा सब लोग एक होके काम कर रहे हैं। जब हम बात करते हैं एक होके काम कर रहे हैं, तो हम ये बात करते हैं कि एवरी इंडिविजुअल और department of the company is working to achieve the common objective of the firm. For example, if we talk about different departments of a company, there are production, sales, marketing, HR, finance. So each and every individual department has its own objective. For example, the objective of the purchase department is to purchase raw material and other things at a minimum rate, and the same with sales department is to increase the sales. The production department is to produce high quality goods at minimum cost or low cost. So strategy talks about planning your actions, your reactions, and your working, ensuring the probable outcome from the environment. कि भविष्य में हमारे जो एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स हैं, हमारे जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, उनका रिएक्शन क्या हो सकता है, उनका प्रोबेबल जो है काउंटर रिएक्शन क्या हो सकता है अपने एनवायरमेंट को लेके। फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर हैं, व्हाट आर दे प्लानिंग टू मेक। सो स्ट्रेटजी इज predicting their actions and designing our actions on the basis of the same. So we have to study the environment and environmental factors, and thus we have to design our strategy accordingly. So next is Mintzberg 5S of strategy, 5P, sorry. It they are plan, ploy, pattern, position and perspective. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं प्लान की, और जब हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में स्ट्रेटजी शब्द को शुरू किया था पढ़ना, उसी समय मैंने आपको बताया था स्ट्रेटजी इज नथिंग but a plan which is enhanced, which is more polished, which is more far sighted. So first is plan. Planning is, we will go with the basic definition we have earlier studied, deciding in advance everything. हमने क्या करना है, कब करना है, क्यों करना है, किसके लिए करना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी साल 2021 चल रहा है, एंड सो मेनी कंपनीज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल the FMCG sector companies, the automotive companies, they are having a whole list of products ready with them कि हमें अगले साल क्या लॉन्च करना है, उससे अगले साल क्या लॉन्च करना है, उससे अगले साल क्या, they have the design ready with them. So it should be there, the plan should be there. Plan acts as a base, actually a base. Every morning, for example, to talk about today, I have to take your class, so I have a plan in mind in the morning that I have to teach this thing to you all. So planning tells you the course of action you are supposed to perform. Then is ploy. प्लॉय को हिंदी में बोलते हैं एक तरह की चाल, शातिरता, चाल कह लो। नाउ प्लॉय हियर रेफर्स टू दैट योर प्लान शुड बी अ मिक्सचर ऑफ प्लान प्लस प्लॉय। मींस बेटा एक तो होती है प्लानिंग कि मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूं बड़े आराम से ठंडे दिमाग से, एक होता है प्लॉयड प्लानिंग जिसमें हम जब एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम कॉम्पिटिटर्स की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम उस हर पॉसिबल थ्रेट की बात कर रहे हैं जो हमें मिल सकता है, so we have to be very careful, we have to be very attentive. As plan a strategy can be a ploy too. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया, हमें बड़ा एक्टिव रह के और बड़ा ही फ्यूचरिस्टिक रह के चीजों को प्लान करना है। Then is pattern. Pattern means what kind of like path we are supposed to follow. For example, uh, let us talk about what a pattern is actually. A pattern is a stream of actions. Pattern tells us which path you have to follow. Pattern tells us how to move. So for achieving a strategy, we have to be ready with day-to-day pattern of actions we are supposed to perform. Now, पोजिशनिंग या पोजीशन, पोजिशनिंग मैंने उस दिन भी बताया था, पोजिशनिंग रेफर्स टू फिक्सिंग आवर कंपनी, आवर प्रोडक्ट इन द माइंड ऑफ द कंज्यूमर्स। और यहाँ पर हम जब स्ट्रेटेजिक मार्केटिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फिक्सिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट और लोकेटिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट, आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द एनवायरमेंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उस दिन हमने बात की थी कि इफ वी हैव टू रिकॉल प्रोडक्ट्स, मैंने पूछा था टूथपेस्ट, a lot of you answered instantly Colgate. So it is how Colgate has positioned itself in the market, and right now it is very difficult to replace this, but not impossible. Yes, difficult. Then is last point, perspective. Perspective is basically how we takes the market, how we takes the environment, what are our views about that, and how the market takes our company as. Strategy is a perspective. Its content consisting not just of a chosen position, but of an ingrained way of perceiving the world. How we are perceiving. For example, when we are manufacturing the product for the consumers, we are actually perceiving him. We are actually making our perspective about the product, about the consumer, about the market, about the future demands, speculative demands. Uh, then we have next topic, that is features of strategy. What are its features? Very common and very easy points are there. So let me just go through them. Strategy is a major course of action which relates business with environment. Yes, it is a course of action. Planning is also a course of action, but it relates business with the environment. Then it is a measure to achieve desired objectives. Yes, it was same in planning too. Then it is forward looking. Yes, it is forward looking. Last time somebody asked a question that whether it is kind of short term, it talks about short term goals or long term goals. So the answer I gave was ki it is thinking beyond like uh, whatever you can think. Then is the next point, that is it may take contradictory action, means the decision taken today can be replaced, diverted tomorrow because of the changes in situation. Yet when we talk about planning, there is the term we use is flexibility. That plan should be flexible, and in case of strategy too, it is very very true, because when we talk about today, we take our actions according. For example, if we talk about last month, the COVID cases were not that much high, and it was not spreading at that much speed. So the government was having some different kind of strategy at that time, and right now the like position is very much worse. So we are supposed to be flexible. We cannot be like last month we have planned this thing, so we have to retain with that. No, strategy is a plan, and plan is supposed to be flexible because you can just perceive the future, you anticipate the future, you cannot predict the future. So whatever the future actions will be there, you have to bring some changes in the same. Just hold on. So when we talk about these features, the most important feature is flexibility. Future is uncertain, and so as your plans should be, we have to be ready for any possible change in the future. So moving on to the next slide, we what is the need of a strategy? अभी मैं बात कर रहा था प्लानिंग की कि भाई planning is a base that decides your working. In the same way, strategy is something which keeps you in action. So let us read the points given. To have rules and guide the search for new opportunities. Look, I often ask a question to the students: are there any needs which are yet to be fulfilled, or there are certain products which are not there in the market and we need them badly? So students used to take time to think. So when we are thinking, it means actually we don't have anything that we need badly. So the point is how things come up. For example, uh, this pandemic, it gave a lot of people an opportunity to earn. An opportunity, for example, I know so many players, old players of handloom who are now selling these masks. I earlier told you also that it is now a handloom item. Mask, the surgical mask, the blue mask, the triple layer, double layer, or single layer mask, which used to be once a medical item, now it is manufactured by handloom players. So the point is, strategy, when you are constantly in touch with the environment, it teaches you, it guides you for searching the new opportunities. Yesterday only, I have seen one video from one of my friend who was earlier dealing in bed sheets and blanket, and right now whole stock is of these masks and sanitizers. And also, I would like to tell you that the mask which was being sold in the market for 90 paise or 1 rupee, right now the cost has gone to 2 rupees. And one more triple layer mask which was earlier being sold for rupees 2 or 2.5, now it is costing around 4. So the point is, if you are constantly in touch with the environment, you can design, you can develop new things. So R&D people, they are in constantly touch with the changes occurred or changes that can occur. And again, listen to this thing, changes which they are in a position to make happen. For example, customer को कुछ नहीं पता, वो बेचारा साधु आदमी है, he is happy with whatever he is getting. बट कंपनीज का काम तो नहीं चलेगा अगर वो ऐसे ही बैठे रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ कोलगेट, द कंपनी कोलगेट पामोलिव, इफ दे केप्ट देमसेल्व्स लाइक कि भाई जितने हमारे टूथपेस्ट के ब्रांड हैं दे आर इनफ, सो इट इज नॉट ओके. If you want to constantly progress, you have to think in that way, think like that way, and that is the only solution to you. After this pandemic last year, साबुन वाली कंपनी, सर्फ वाली कंपनी, फ्लोर क्लीनर वाली कंपनी, सभी कंपनियों ने ये लिखना शुरू कर दिया कि 99.99% एक्टिव ऑन कोविड वायरस, कोरोना वायरस. भाई, so there are companies who have found the solution to beat this virus, but the medical companies, they are struggling. भाई, हमारे पास जो फर्श साफ करने वाला लिक्विड बनाती है कंपनी, वो ये कह रही है कि हमारे लिक्विड को अगर आप फर्श पे डालोगे तो 99.99% कोरोना का वायरस मर जाएगा. तो टेल अस व्हाट यू लाइक पुट इनटू दैट. आपने क्या उसमें ऐसा डाला कि जिससे वायरस मर रहा है, तो हमें बताओ, हम दवाई में डाल देते हैं वो. देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच सो अपॉर्चुनिटीज. और एक तरह से कोरोना के बाद, कोविड के बाद, अभी मैंने देखा एक वो जब आप सब्जी लेते हो तो सब्जी धोने के लिए भी एक लिक्विड निकाला था किसी कंपनी ने. अभी डेटोल की एक एडवर्टीजमेंट आ रही है कि जब आप मशीन में कपड़े धोते हो तो आपका सर्फ पूरी तरह से वायरस नहीं मारता, हमारा लिक्विड डालो वो मारेगा वायरस. So this is the kind of opportunity the environment is giving. And last night I was searching for masks and sanitizers on Amazon, and there were sanitizers worth rupees 12,500. So 250 लीटर के हिसाब से आपको, 200 लीटर के हिसाब से, 150 लीटर के हिसाब से आपको सैनिटाइजर वहां पर मिल रहा है. और अगर आप मास्क लेने जाते हो तो अच्छी से अच्छी कंपनी, बड़ी से बड़ी कंपनी भी आज की डेट में मास्क बना रही है. दिस इज हाउ दे हैव शेप्ड देयर this pandemic into an opportunity for their business, and they are doing very good. Then is to take high quality project decisions. Yes, look, business is all about what quality of decisions you are taking, and strategy decides the fitness of the company in the market. Strategy is something which decides that whether the company is fit to stay in the market or not. And yes, if it is fit, only then it has the right, or you can say the permission from the market to be there. Then it to develop measures to judge whether a particular opportunity is rare one or much better ones are likely to develop in future. For example, अभी from the point of view of companies, those companies for whom this pandemic is an opportunity. For example, FMCG companies, this is a high time for them, because sooner or later, if there will be lockdown in the country, what will happen? There will be a kind of hoarding. जैसा कि लास्ट ईयर हम लोगों ने देखा या किया कि आपने दालों के स्टॉक, आपने आटे का स्टॉक, आपने नमक का स्टॉक, और इवन जो आज की डेट में हम देख रहे हैं कि ऑक्सीजन का भी स्टॉक लोग अपने पास रख रहे हैं कि क्या पता कब जरूरत पड़ जाए। तो द पॉइंट इज, वी हैव टू जज whether this opportunity is a rare one, or whether there are more things that are coming in the way, and not just about this company. So next point is to have a look at firm's overall resource allocation. Look, when we talk about resources, we talk about the factors of production, we talk about the resources, the capital we have deployed in the company, whether we are investing it in the right way or not. For example, whether the promotional expenditures or the production, marketing, sales, or whatever other expenditures are, whether they are being met properly or not. So, as per the demand of the strategy, for example, abhi, right now the resources are to be deployed for medical expenditures. As an individual, I'm talking. So the companies who are like producing medical equipments, और अभी ये ना मैं उस दिन बात कर रहा था किसी से कि why these medical equipment they are not shown in advertisement on TV. जब हम छोटे थे बेटा, तो थर्मामीटर भी पंचायती होता था। पंचायती मतलब गली में एक आधे के पास हो गया। फिर जब थोड़े बड़े हुए या लोगों पे पैसा आ गया, सब पे पैसा आ गया, तो थर्मामीटर प्राइवेट होने लग गए। मेरे घर का एक, आपके घर का एक, साथ वाले का। अभी क्या हुआ, कोरोना के बाद पर्सनल हो गया। अभी मेरा अलग है, वाइफ का अलग है, बच्चों का अलग है, मम्मी का अलग है। यार ये क्या हो रहा है? चलो यहाँ तक तो ठीक था, फिर बीपी की मशीन पर्सनल होने लगी, शुगर टेस्टिंग हर घर में होने लगी, वो छोटी सी जो डिवाइस है वो अपने हर घर में आने लग गया। अभी वेपोराइजर जो भाप वाली मशीन है वो भी सबके घर में होने लगी। उसके बाद अभी ऑक्सीमीटर। तो मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट धीरे धीरे जो है वो एक कह लो कि इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट से पर्सनल प्रोडक्ट पे आ गए। I have to see whether these company, and yes, I have seen one machine also yesterday. It was costing around 40,000 rupees. 40,000 की मशीन थी, and you put water in it and it separates oxygen and hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन हवा में छोड़ देगी, ऑक्सीजन आपको देगी। 40,000 रुपए की मशीन है, आप इससे ऑक्सीजन ले सकते हो, सिलेंडर की जरूरत नहीं है आपको। हमें ये देखना है कि मेरे रिसोर्सेज सही समय पर सही जगह फिट है नहीं है। जैसे कि मैंने कहा आपको, हैंडलूम मार्केट वो मास्क में डील कर रही है, वो सैनिटाइजर में डील कर रही है। So at this time उनको ये लग रहा है कि yes, this is the right way to invest money, this is the right way to put our resources at. Then is to develop internal ability to anticipate change. Yes, it is very important. Changes happen when you wish to bring some change in the market, in the society. So attitude towards changing is very important. The attitude towards change is very important. And when you say that I am strategically fit to accept any change, then your firm is also ready to accept any challenge, anything that may be the result of the environmental change. Then is to save time, money, and talent. When you are moving strategically, first, time and money, how they will be saved, you actually know what are you supposed to do. One. Second, when we talk about talent, देखो, real talent, real manpower, real one who is actually willing and wishing to work stays with a company who actually value people who are daring. Nobody wants a burden on their company. कोई भी व्यक्ति है, they want good people, and good people wants to work for good company. मैंने बहुत सारे लोग देखे एग्जॉस्ट भी, क्या हुआ भी, the company is moving slow, I need to work something else, something. So अगर आप अच्छा टैलेंट अपने पास रिटेन करके रखना चाहते हो, तो यू शुड बी like a fighter. Then is the last point, to identify, develop and exploit potential opportunities. ये हम स्टार्टिंग से ही पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि जो भी भविष्य के गर्भ में छुपी हुई अपॉर्चुनिटी है उनको निकालना, that is very important. So next is the meaning of strategic marketing. A marketing strategy is a written plan which combines product development, promotion, distribution, and pricing approach. Identifies the firm's marketing goals and explains how they will be achieved within time frame. Determine the choice of target market segment, positioning, marketing mix, and allocation of resources as customer constitutes the sources of company's revenue. Marketing strategy is closely related with sales too. So when we talk about marketing strategy, it talks about putting a strategy in every action, every like type of work we do in marketing. From product planning to after sales services, we have to be strategically fit. And in the coming lectures, we will be talking about them. So for today, I think it is enough, and we'll talk about this later. Let us close this slide. Thank you so much, everybody.